Hi friends, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clean houseplant leaves naturally using household items. These are cleaning supplies I will be using for my leaves: water, milk, spray bottle, and a piece of cloth. I am using room temperature water as cold water can cause spots on the leaves and can shock the roots. I will mix up a ratio of milk to water, about 30% milk and 70% water in a spray bottle. Using milk as a cleaner and leaf shiner is an old gardening science tip. Milk has some beneficial ingredients that are great for plants. Dust can accumulate on the surface of leaves throughout your home, which means a couple of monthly wipe downs are necessary in order to get rid of the buildup and to prevent more from accumulating. Simply spray the solution on a piece of cloth to clean the leaves. Support the leaf with one hand to avoid any crack, so you have to be very gentle. Start wiping side by side. Do not use polishes or oils to make houseplant leaves shines, as they can block pores, which can interfere with a plant's ability to breathe. There are three main functions completed by the leaves of plants: production of food through photosynthesis, gas exchange between the plant and the atmosphere, and water evaporation through transpiration. Dirt and dust can block the pores of leaves and prevent transpiration from happening, which could negatively affect plants and make them look dull. A good-looking and clean plant will therefore have the maximum potential for productive and efficient photosynthesis, which in turn fuels all of its activities. You will notice immediately how it shines up and removes any residue the plant has on it. Not only cleaning plant leaves keep it healthy, but it's also a great opportunity to inspect for pests or insects on a regular basis. It's a good idea to keep up regular maintenance on your house plants. Avoid using commercially produced leaf shining boosting products. These products clog the pores of the plant and reflect away the sunlight that plant needs for photosynthesis. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions related to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.